Good evening, everyone. This is Vrishali. In our previous session, we discussed about views and normalization with examples. I have mentioned complete database management system playlist link in below description box. Now, in this session, we will discuss about the next and most important topic, that is set operations. Here we will discuss union, union all, intersect and minus with syntax with example. So let's start the session. In this channel, you got complete point-wise and easy explanation and practical demonstrations of following subjects. So please like and share these videos with your friends and subscribe the channel. So you will get the notification regarding my new upcoming videos. Next. Now the first important point is what exactly set operators. So generally in SQL, set operators are used to combine result of two or more queries or two or more tables. When you want to perform the operation on two or more tables and generate a single result or one table result, at that time SQL set operators have used. In SQL, there are total four set operations: union, union all, intersect and minus. So let's see these set operations in detail. The first set operation is union. So generally in SQL, union operations are used to combine the result of two or more table, right? Union operator having some conditions. The first condition is number of data types and number of columns must be same in both tables. Okay, in that particular table you need to perform the union operation, so at that time their data types and their columns must be same. And union operations eliminate duplicate rows from the final result set. Now see here, first in this example, this is your first table, that is table name is first, there is ID and name column. In the second table, table name is second and the column ID and name. So here data type and column must be same in both tables, right? So while using particular queries, the syntax is select column name from table 1, union, select column name from table 2. So while performing the operation, you need to apply this condition, like select star from first table. Okay, you need to select any column from the first table. Union, you need to use union operator in this way, and select star from second table. So select all the columns from the second table. So after executing this query, your result will be this. See here, ID and name, same column is there. The result of first three rows, that is same as it is. And now here ID 3 and name Sunny, that will be common. Okay. But in union operator, eliminate this duplicate data. It can be represented only once in the result set, right? And remaining 4 and 5 ID is as it is. So this is called as union operator. They combine result of two or more tables and eliminate duplicate data. Clear? Next. Now next set operators is union all. So generally union all operation is equal to union operation. Both operations will be same. But just the difference between union and union all is union operator remove duplicate data. Okay. But union all without removing duplicate data, which take duplicate data as it is in result set. Let's see how. See here, the same table it is, that is first table ID and name, and that is your second table ID and name. So when you perform union all operation in this way, same syntax is there, but at the place of union, you need to put union all. Okay. So select all rows, that is select star from first, union all, select star from second. So when you apply this query, your result will be generated in this way. See here, the first table as it is, that is ID 1, 2, 3, here ID 1, 2, 3. And now the second table 3, 4, 5, and that is result 3, 4, 5. Means is take duplicate data as it is in the result set, right? So this is called as union all operation, which combine all the data of both the table, that is first table and second table, with duplicate data. Clear? Next. Now the next and third set operation is intersect. Intersect operation generally used to return the common data or common rows between the tables. Okay. And the now condition is, see here, number of data types and columns must be same in both tables. Okay. And intersect data use only duplicate data. Okay. It arrange data all in ascending order. Next thing is, this intersect operator used only in SQL and Oracle. MySQL does not support intersect operator. Clear? Now let's see the example first. Now same table is there, that is your first table, that is your second table. So when you perform intersect operation in this way, that is select star from first, means select all the rows from the first table, intersect. You need to use intersect operator and select star from second table, right? So when you execute this query, your result will be generated in this way. See here, first table and second table. Which is the common row? That is common row is Sunny. ID 3 and Sunny. This will be a common row, right? So it generate only those rows. Okay. But it replicate the data only in one's format, not a duplicate time, right? So intersect operator returns common rows in both tables. Next. The next operator is minus operator. So minus operator generally used to display all rows from the first table that will be absent from the second table. That's why we use minus operator. And it has no duplicate data and data always arranged in ascending order. How? See here in this example. That is your first table, that is your second table, right? Now how to apply minus operator? Select star from first minus select star from second. Okay, so when you apply this query, when you execute this query, your result will be this. How? See here, that is your first table Harry, Sam and Sunny, and this is your second table Sunny, Ria and Seema. Okay, so minus operator display all the rows from the first table, all the rows from the first table. This is the first condition, that is Harry, Sam and Sunny, but the particular data absent in second table. Okay, so here Sunny will be present in second table, so it return only those data that will be absent from second table. So Harry and Sam, this is not present in second table, right? So it generate the result or generate the result set after applying minus operator like this, that is Harry and Sam, means those data will be present in first table and absent in second table. Clear? So this is called as minus operator. Next, all about set operations in SQL. Practice this, keep learning. Thank you.